This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Scott Meredith. Elevate your lifestyle in this lovely 4,918 square feet detached 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, 2 half-bath home, 1 block from the North End's pristine beach and just feet away from the 2,888-acre First Landing State Park trails. An open floor plan boasts wraparound second and third floor decks that lead to a true chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line commercial-grade appliances. This home has a beautiful terraced back garden and patio with a large built-in fire pit that opens up to the first-floor in-law suite complete with kitchen, laundry room, and fireplace. A new oversized elevator services all 3 floors. Third floor large primary suite features a fireplace, oversized jetted tub, and walk-in shower. The oversized 2-car garage and large driveway provide for ample parking. 2 laundry rooms located on both the first and third floors. Tons of storage space throughout plus an outside shower. Entertaining or just relaxing here at your private luxurious beach house has never been better. For more information, review the details below.